This video, I'm just talk about SLP price prediction. What exactly happened right now? Because it's just dumping like crazy. Previously, a lot of people said, Travis, you always talk about it's going to the moon when it's happened. Right now, look at this green candle. If it stay off from this level, so we see a slightly uptrend in SLP. So first of all, it need to break this resistance, which is almost around a 0.48 cent. It's a very penny size right now because they announced something good in upcoming quarter 1. Because if you look at the Twitter handle page of Access Infinity, a lot of people didn't know what exactly the SLP is doing right now because it's a part of Access Infinity, guys. So just think about it. Access Infinity just like a Bitcoin, and Ethereum is just like a SLP. So when they're launching a land game, which token they mostly use for the SLP? If you look at the CoinGecko, the supply is just fixed right now, little bit slightly. But if you look at the total supply, it's infinity. And also, if you look at the circulating supply, it's tremendous, very low right now. So, other hand, are we going higher from this area? Because supply is a major issue, and event is just coming up. So, what happened with the SOP? They changed the supply and make this supply to infinity, and might be they change these almost around lower, or might be they burn the coins soon. So, burning process is going on in the blockchain. Might be they increase, they accelerate the burning process, because land game, if the SLP just dump like crazy, so they're not getting any benefit. Somehow they require this burning process anyhow, because they know that the SLP, they, a lot of people have a misconception so regarding SLP. They say like just gamers just generating SLP so long, so gamer playing a game and earning a reward in the form of SLP, because just generating is not the solution. When they're entering in a land game or any metaverse game, they require higher transaction fees is very high in the metaverse. So before, Access Infinity launching a 2D games, now they are entering in a 3D game. Just think about it. I mean, how much transaction is going on in a SOP. So might be the burning process is so huge. If the price goes higher, it need to break this resistance almost around 450. If it succeed to break the 450 target, then we think we have to go uptrend. And if you look at the history of SLP, just going down and down and down, just look at this. So more chance is just pump like crazy. Quarter 1 is very important for SLP. A lot of people say it's going even more down from this area and reaching almost around a 1 cent. It's a very penny size, and I don't think so it's going that much low. If it fall like crazy, so we grab a little bit. I already bought almost around a 300k, and I read a lot of comments regarding SLP. They said that like Elon Musk just buying this SLP and then it's pumped like crazy. This isn't happen. This is the factors, and this is the thing they are knowing these days. They are not understanding what exactly the metaverse. They're not understanding what exactly happened in the metaverse, and which token they mostly use for metaverse. Obviously, SLP. That's why I'm just looking a lot of potential. And Axis Infinity launching a metaverse game, just think about it. They Axis Infinity is not just only one game. Might be it contain a lot of game in upcoming years. A more chance is the SLP use case just rising up. And that's why I'm thinking if the almost a 2.1 billion SLP supply it's showing on the network. If you look at the Ethereum supply, it's infinity right now. So Ethereum supply is infinite. That means they think like it's not going anywhere, it's not going uptrend. Look at the Ethereum price, almost around $4,000 in 2018. A lot of people say Ethereum have an infinity supply, and they're just pumping like crazy, they're just dumping like crazy. This is a myth we see in Ethereum in the past. This is also be a part of Ethereum. SLP also be a part of Ethereum. Just think about it. So their smart contract already fixed right now, Ethereum 2.0, resolving these infinity problems, or might be we see a lot of potential in SLP in upcoming years, because this is Axie Infinity tokens. Just think about it. Axie Infinity in the rank 1 in the gaming industry in a blockchain, and subdomain is SLP. So I'm looking a lot of potential. That's why I'm just talking about SLP so many times. That's why I'm just making a tons of videos regarding this one. So this one is this mega resistance. I'm just looking right now in this area, which is almost around a 700 or 800 something. A lot of people say it didn't reach that level because it's a very very volatile coin because supply is increasing. I don't see any kind of supply increment in Binance. But just think about it, just locking this thing and creating some fear, so they grab at very low price when it just pump like crazy. Then we see a lot of potential. Look at this other one, XRP, almost around a billions or trillions of supply, and the price which is almost around $1. And other hand, if you look at the other so many projects, those who have an infinite supply, they are pumped like crazy. It doesn't mean they're just generating a token. When the use cases happen, then generating, and when the something is decreasing, so they just burning the coin. They block almost around 800 account last time, so just think about how serious they are. This is what I'm just looking right now in SLP, so I'm looking a lot of potential. So this is the resistance I'm just looking right now, 700 or 800 in between. So it just pump like crazy, and then a little bit slightly downtrend we see in SLP, and then 350 is the major support. That time I'm looking and then grab it more. Alright guys, so this is all about SLP related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe and press the bell icon. Do some comment for YouTube algorithm.